It is.
Oh no! Oh shoot!
Hey, get in my way and try to block me, I'ma show aggression. Slide on your block like Danny Glover with a lethal weapon. I fucked your thought, she gave me top, I guess.
What a day. It's 9:56 right now. It's a Friday, first day of spring break. Next week I have to work all week, so it's gonna be a pretty jumbled schedule. So today's one of my last days. I can do a updated full day of eating for you guys. I'm eating 4,300 calories on all my training days, around 3,300 to 3,600 on all of my rest days. So today's a training day, I'm hitting upper. It's 10 o'clock, I woke up around 20 minutes ago, came down. Sorry my alarm went off, but it's 10 o'clock, I came down. I usually eat my first meal, breakfast, and then I go shower and do my whole morning routine, and then I eat another meal after that. But yeah, I'll show you guys what I'm eating for my breakfast. This is super, like, I'm gonna be eating this every day. Like, this is very realistic of what I'll be eating, like, on weekends and stuff. This is a little bit of a bigger meal than what I would eat on a school day, just because on school days I have to wake up a little earlier, so my meals are spread out a little more throughout the day. But this is very realistic for the weekends. So yeah, realistic full day eating 4,300 calories. Let's go.
We go hide away in daylight.
I just got a double yolk in this joint. Literally a double yolk. What the frick? That's so lucky. Anyway, we'll continue.
We go undercover, wait out the sun. Got a secret side in plain sight.
Alright, got an average meal for the weekend. We got 25 ounces of rice, 4 eggs, 5 ounces of chicken, and a coconut water. Right around 1,250 calories, 82 grams of protein, 157 grams of carbs, and 25 grams of fat. Yes, I'll eat this. Love this meal every single time. Look forward to it. Take a shower. See you guys for meal 2. Got out of the shower. Right here we got some rice, chicken, and avocado. Don't know how much that is. I already weighed it and tracked it a little bit ago before I was making this smoothie. Then we got smoothie. I put it into 2 cups because it was a pretty big smoothie, but there's 2 bananas in that, 5.8 ounces of blueberries, a little bit of yogurt, and water. So yeah, we feel real good after this meal. And then we got one more meal, then pre-workout. So yeah, look at outside though, it's like super nice out. I don't know if you can see that, but nice outside today. Leaving for the gym in about 30 minutes. We got 20.2 ounces of rice with some seasoning on it. So yeah, oh, nice and hot in my room, feels good. Just been chilling, making some TikToks today. But we gotta make sure this lift is good, so we're carbing up. Andrew, 3 in a row.
Actually,
For the full clip.
Bang, bang. Right back into the hands. 4.
Wait, Andrew, I'll get like a freaking animation on you. So like a defender.
What?
Animation.
What is it?
Rebound. Cold water.
Oh my gosh.
Playing pickup with the boys for 3 hours straight, greater than.
No, dude.
Get out of here, bro.
You want like a 2K dunk enemy?
Yeah, I'll get next to you and jump with you.
Mine tries.
Shoot, you won't. Oh, but I will. Wide open up here. Oh. Nice. I got it. Back, freak. Oh, I don't think you took it back. Yeah, I did because I started from there.
I checked you that.
That's not 3 points.
Oh no! Oh shoot! Go on. What the f? Nice.
Yo, you just showed up to our pickup game. You're in our pickup game right now. Want to play some pickup?
Let me get in. Watch this go, my sauce. Let me in the game, bro. Let me in the game.
Oh my phone, bro. Holy shit.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, Logan, if you ran over my phone, you would have had to pay for it.
I'm like a bulldozer.
Logan.
Hey.
Barely saved.
Logan.
You're lucky Travis was there.
Logan.
Cause I don't care.
Look at me. This kid know how to drive, but you don't know how to do his dunk. Long time. No, I thought you won.
What the f they know about me?
Get out of here.
What they know about me?
Get out of here. Let's go.
And I'm a shooter too.
I might go wash my hands. Oh, no. It's so, dirty. It's so dirty and sticky. Oh, wait, we can get a tough off thumbnail right here with all 3 cards. Let's do it. Alright, fine.
Alright, fine. Oh my gosh.
Not what I meant, man. Scratch it? Dirt.
Yeah, you'll be lucky if I still go like that to your crotch.
What the f? Get off my crotch, bro.
We go hide away in daylight. We go undercover, wait out the sun. Got a secret side in plain sight. Where the streets are empty, that's where we run. Everyday people do everyday things, but I can't be one of them. I know you hear me now. We are a different kind. We can do anything. We could be heroes. We could be heroes. Me and you. We could be heroes. We could be heroes. Me and you. We could be. Anybody's got the power. They don't see it 'cause they don't understand. Spinning round and round for hours. You and me, we got the world in our hands. Everyday people do everyday things, but I can't be one of them. I know you hear me now. We are a different kind. We can do anything.
Alright guys, just dropped everyone off. Now I'm going back to the gym to do cardio. And I forgot to tell you guys, but I had 2 bananas and 4 fruit strips, which the fruit strips are 50 calories, so times 4, 400 calories worth of carbs ready for the gym. Fast digesting carbs to make sure I get a good pump. The pump was pretty alright. It was a good pump, but like I was saying in the other video, since I'm bulking, like posing isn't as enjoyable because I'm just not as lean, but it's part of the process. It'll just make me look even better once I actually do get lean. So I'm gonna go do some cardio and see you guys for my dinner or something. All done. Did 1,200 calories today because I didn't really do too much digestion walks earlier, so my activity level was a little less. But I'll show you guys what I'm eating when I get home. What a day. It's 9:56 right now, and we're getting the dinner in. Got 2 of these waters. You know, gotta stay hydrated. I was drinking electrolytes all throughout the day. 3 scoops of electrolytes every day. Ecolate. Use code Big Joe to get 15% off your orders. Just kidding. I don't have a sponsor, but maybe in the future. Anyway, we have 30 ounces, almost 2 pounds of sweet potatoes, 2 avocados, which is 5.5 ounces of avocado, and 2 ounces of chicken. Right around 1,200 calories for the final meal. Got some healthy fats, protein, carbs, potassium in the sweet potatoes, at least more potassium than there would be in rice. I'll throw the final macros up over here for the whole entire day. Right around 700 grams of carbs, 200 grams of protein, 70 grams of fat, 4,300 calories on my training days, like I said earlier. So yeah, we're not capping about the macros. I absolutely love food, so me eating this much is not a big issue at all. In fact, I could probably eat a lot more. So that's good for my future. If in case my maintenance gets higher, I can eat more easily. But yeah, sometimes, at least for when I'm cutting, the food like cravings hit, and that kind of sucked. Like in the middle of December, that was terrible. But yeah, I'm super excited to eat this meal. See you guys whenever. Hitting you guys with a little bit of a mic'd up session. Put music over it, but you're just gonna see the intensity on my lower days. Just did a set of single leg extensions with plate loaded, different one than I did last time because I maxed out the other one with the gym pin. Saw it on TikTok with the clip up here. So we're just gonna try to use this progressive overload on this. Got 3 plates for 4 reps my first set, so we're gonna lower the weight and show you guys my second set, and we'll go on from there.
In case nobody's asked you this today, are you okay? Are you really fine? I mean, you know it's okay to feel a little lost sometimes. It's alright that you don't want to smile. You don't need to explain bad moments away. We all get them. I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to fall out of love with you. Because I truly did love you. I still do. But not in the same way. Not in a way that would make it fair for me to stay. Or at least could stay the same. Maybe we can be friends again someday. One day. You know I love you. I'm sorry that I said I didn't earlier. The one thing I knew would hurt you. I'm sorry. But you know I love you. And I know that you love me too. It's just that sometimes love isn't enough. At least not for us. I mean, it shouldn't be this hard, you know? We're always fighting and saying things that we don't mean and that we can't take them back, and I hate that. I wish I could forget all of the bad.
Shut
but we haven't been on the same page for a while now, and we've
I was
too many
so
bad
close
things happen in a row.
So close to laughing, bro.
I don't know. How do we grow from here? Maybe we don't. I think we both know that we broke apart, that we want different things. And I think the reason that it hurts so bad is because I still love you with all of my heart. And you'll always have a piece of me. And I don't want to do this anymore. I won't break up. I'm sorry. You know I love you. But love just isn't enough. I miss you. I've been thinking about you, and I've been thinking about our love. And how much I miss your touch. I miss being around you, hearing your laugh and holding your hand. I think of you every day. I hope and I wish that you're doing okay. I want us to go back to the old days. Because I miss you. And I just thought of you, so I thought I'd call you to tell you that you crossed my mind, and I took that as a sign that I should call and say hi. So that's all. Hi. I hope you don't think I've lost my mind. I hope you don't think I'm crazy. This message is getting long, so I should just say bye. But the idea of you...
That's the nigga. First I had to go to get a man like a caterpillar. Once that chill was old enough to take it, he was the take this in a shot right now. I don't think that we can work this out on the tablets.
Just ate some beef and rice. Boy, hope you guys liked the video. Super realistic what I eat in a day. Said it a million times, but yeah, I'm gonna upload this video, watch the Clark Kent new video of him on vacation with his girl, you feel me? So yeah, like, subscribe, road to 1K subscribers. I think we can do it by the end or middle of summer. So yeah, sub up, posting 3 times a week. Peace.